Everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to show you something really cool that we just got into our store, and they are called gliders. These are little tiny discs that will help you create your slider cards. They come in packs of 10, and there are two styles. So you have a straight slider, and that has a straight line on it, and then you have ones that will spin, and those have a dot on them. These will help make your slider cards so easy to create. You won't have to have pennies or foam dots or anything else. You can just use your gliders along with your slider dies. We've created a few of the slider dies for you, and I will link those in the description box below. Right now I'm using a curvy line, and I'm going to be putting this onto a mini slimline card. So I'm going to set this in place with a little bit of tape and then run it through my die cut machine. If you're using a thin pattern paper, you may want to back that with some 80-pound cardstock so that it's a little more sturdy. The gliders are designed with a channel on the inside, and depending on which one you use, it's either a rectangle to slide or a circle to spin. And I'm using the circle one, and I'm just going to feed this into each side of the die cut paper. And it's that simple. So now you're ready to do your assembly and put your piece on top and some foam tape on the back side. You can use a variety of types of glue, and I'm just using the Simon Says Stamp tape runner and just concentrating that into the center of that heart, and then I'll press it right in place on top of the glider. On the back side, I'll be adding some foam tape, and I want to make sure that I have clearance around that entire slider. And then I can add the panel to the front of my card and give it a test run to make sure that it is spinning and moving. If you're having a little bit of trouble, you can always use your powder tool or anti-static bag to give it a little less friction. I've die cut a straight piece for my slider, and this one is using the rectangle one, and this one will just go back and forth. So again, I'm adding a little bit of tape runner to the back of my heart and pressing it in place on top of the glider, and now I can give this a test drive. As you can see, these came together really quickly using the gliders. I didn't have to have any other elements. I hope this has been informative for you and inspiring, and I have the links below in the description box with the gliders and also our slider dies. Thanks for sticking with me, and be sure to check our blog for additional inspiration and follow us on social media, and also subscribe for more quick tip videos from Simon Says Stamp.